An Italian adjective that means fond or attached is
affezionato,
which is the past participle of the verb
affezionare,
to grow fond.
affezionato,
Whereas in English we would say fond of something or attached to something, Italians would say
affezionato a qualcosa, qualcuno. Tutta la famiglia è molto affezionata al nostro cane Achille.
the entire family is very fond of our dog Achilles. When affezionato directly modifies a noun, the meaning becomes affectionate or loving. For example,
Un gatto affezionato,
an affectionate cat,
una nipote affezionata.
a loving granddaughter. If you're talking specifically about clients or customers who regularly support a shop or company, the best translation is loyal or faithful.
Bisogna trattare molto bene i clienti più affezionati.
The most loyal customers must be treated very well. When finishing a letter or email, you can sign off with the following:
Il tuo affezionato figlio, padre, amico.
your loving son, father, friend,
La tua affezionata figlia, madre, amica.
your loving daughter, mother, friend. Even more common is the superlative.
Affezionatissimo, affezionatissima. Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.